Ruth-Sophie Taubner and I'm the scientific coordinator at the Space Research Institute in Graz, Austria. However, today I'm speaking to you as the current president of AppGradE, the Astrobiology graduates in Europe. AppGradE can be seen as a platform which aims to promote networking amongst early career scientists and students in astrobiology, space science, and other related fields. For that, we regularly organize events such as workshops, symposia, or online lectures. On December 13th, my AppGradE colleague Silvana Pinna from the Supramolecular Science and Engineering Institute in Strasbourg, France, and Ben Tatton from the Open University in Milton, Keynes, UK, will give you an insight into the amazing world of being an astrobiologist, but this time from an early career perspective. We will guide you through our own career paths so far. We'll give you some hopefully helpful hints and tricks for your own career and present you an overview about the astrobiological landscape in Europe. We will then open the floor for questions and hope to have some fruitful discussions with you. Thanks for watching this and looking forward to see you online at the EAI seminar on December 13th, 4 p.m.